Okay, so we are tasting our seared tuna over crispy rice. Oh my God. First of all, the rice is so good. You know when you go to a sushi restaurant, listen, I don't claim to be an expert in making sushi rice by any means, but you know when you go to a sushi restaurant and you know that they made the rice like 5 minutes before you got there, and it's warm and it's soft and it just literally melts in your mouth and you don't feel like you're eating like a ball of rice? That's what this tastes like. Oh my God. Right? Did you have a piece of the rice?
I'm out of control. I can't speak now.
Okay, I'm gonna eat
It's
some of
unbelievable.
the mushrooms.
I love the rice.
Love the rice.
Oh my God. Oh.
I put a little bit of that sauce on the side because I like everything a little saucier than most people. Do you want some more?
Is that spicy or sweet?
No.
No.
It's like a sweet soy, you know? No, it's the togarashi that's spicy. And the sweet chili oil. The sesame chili oil. That's what's hot.
That's really good.
You guys, this is, you know,
I'm so lucky.
there's such a balance of flavors that really make a meal complete. We have the crispy rice, which is a little bit crunchy. We have the tuna, which is moist and beautiful and very rare, but it has a smoky flavor because we grilled it, and it's spicy from the togarashi. And then we have this umami mushroom flavor and the truffle oil. And then we have the sesame oil heat. And we have the arugula, which has like a bite to it. The arugula kind of cleanses your palate in between bites.
Wow.
And the rice is just super comforting. Oh my God, I miss sushi so much.
Wow.
You guys, this would be so good
It's really good.
any time of the day. But literally like on a really hot day with a cold drink or a hot sake. Well,
I'm trying to slow down, but it's hard not to just wolf it.
you know what I always say, guys? You can do it. Cook with me. Cook with us. Okay? Thanks for being here. We love you guys.